Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to learn how to use UPBASE for public relations strategy planning. Let's dive right in. The first step is to set up your account on UPBASE. You'll need to fill in necessary details like your company name, size, and your role. This helps us because UPBASE tailors its features based on these inputs, ensuring you get the most relevant tools for your PR strategy. Now that we have our account set up, let's move to step 2. Setting your objectives. This is where you define what you want to achieve with your PR strategy. Maybe you want to increase brand awareness or improve your company's image. Whatever it is, be clear and specific. The reason we do this is to give us a clear direction so we know exactly what we're working towards. Next up, we use the Campaign Planner feature. This is where you'll outline your PR campaigns, attach your objectives, and set timelines. This helps us because it provides a visual representation of your plan, making it easier to track progress and make necessary adjustments. Our fourth step involves the media contact feature. Here, you can build a database of your media contacts, which you can categorize based on their relevance to your campaigns. This is important because having a well-organized media contact list can help you target the right audience more effectively. Now we're on to the final step, monitoring and evaluation. UPBASE has a campaign analytics feature that provides real-time data on how your campaigns are performing. This is crucial because it tells you if your campaigns are meeting your objectives or if you need to tweak your strategies. And there you have it. You've just learned how to use UPBASE for public relations strategy planning. Remember, the key to a successful PR strategy is planning, execution, and constant evaluation. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.